So let's take that nested function call example and write a working Python program. So I'm going to start with my main function. So I'll define main and I'll create a variable x and assign it 3.0, y assign it 0, and then I'm going to set y to, and I'm going to call foo, and then I'm going to call bar and pass it x. So like we saw in the previous video, the function called to bar will evaluate first, and then whatever that function returns will be passed to the foo function. And then I will print the contents of y. Okay, and then let's go up and create our foo function. So def foo, and then we need to pass or create a parameter so that we can pass foo some information. So I'll just declare x right there, and then I'll declare y, and I'll just initialize it to 0, and then I'll assign y the result of calling bar and passing x, bar and passing x. So when I call foo, it will take whatever I pass to foo and it will pass it up to bar, and then it will do that twice, and this results will be added together and stored in y. And then I'll go ahead and return y. Okay, let's tidy up my code here. And then the last function will be bar, so I'll define bar, and it will also accept data. It will accept an argument that will store in the parameter x, and then I'm going to declare a variable y, and I'll assign it 0.0 just to initialize it, and then I'll assign y the sum of x plus 1, and then I'll return y. Okay, and so those are our 3 functions. So I'm ready to run my program, and remember, in order to get the program running, you have to make a call to the main function at the very end of your file. So I'll go ahead and run that, and you can see that 10.0 was indeed displayed, which is the result we got when we hand traced the pseudocode in the previous video.